Well, good morning. Welcome back to the tavern and the great outdoors. This is my first hunting trip in about 25 years. You can see the light's a little dim. It's just getting the sunrise. I think I found an area. I'd done some research online, but place I wanted to go, they had it all gated up, so I couldn't get to it. So, at any rate, here we are. And a couple of quick things to just deal with. It'll be interesting. I got to carry my gear. I'm going to go for anywhere from a 2 to 3 kilometer hike and see if I can get myself some deer. It'd be nice if I did, because I really like fresh venison. Fun part will be gutting it. Bring the cameras with me, or camera. So if I get any luck or have anything to show, I'll try and get it on film as best I can. No guarantees there though, because it's not always the easiest thing for me to do. I don't have a good habits on it yet. So at any rate, a couple quick things to do. One, my beauty. We may just call her Beauty. I get to load it. Put some bullets in it. We won't cock it unless we see something. And if we need to empty them, we empty them. I'm not going to shoot it today unless we're shooting at something live. But it's always good to have bullets in the I think that's it. I think it only takes 6. Yeah, no. It does take 7. It takes 7. All of a sudden it's heavy. Amazing how much bullets weigh. All right, let's get this done. Send out some bat signals, let folks know where I'm at, and let's go rock and roll, see what we can find. All right, we'll catch you all soon, and let's try this. Throw a little light on the subject. There you go. How's that? Throw a little light on the subject. Forgot I had the light in my pocket. Yeah, that's fun. Okay, so enough of that. All right, let's go. Welcome to the Oasis. Well, this is the Oasis. Welcome back to the tavern and the Oasis. Well, I like to say that. I think I've been saying that too much. It's now stuck permanently in my head. We're at the tavern. We're at the tavern. We're in the great outdoors for the tavern. Coming back down the hill. I missed whatever that dude was doing to my truck. I don't think he was doing anything with the truck. But parked there, walked off with a bucket, and came back. At any rate, two, 3, 4. Okay. Well, I'm back. It was a decent walk. Let's take a look, see what we covered. Yeah, not bad. I should have started tracking that one separately, but looks like it's about 1.5 kilometers. kilometer, yeah, give or take. Actually, I think we should do some measuring here. Where is details on weather? No. I'm at 305 meters above ground, above sea level. And let's see. It doesn't tell me, but and definitely on crown land. Oh, I could have actually. Tracked it. Okay, I'll do that next time. Next one out. I'm guessing it was about 1.5 kilometers from the tracking, which isn't too bad. It took just over an hour, maybe an hour and a bit. Yeah, an hour and a bit, which is good in one aspect because it's a hell of a workout, and I needed it. Tripped a couple of times, but we need to get the bullets out of the gun. So we shall do this way. Oh. Uh-oh. Whoa. Down there. Bloody things. Oh. Make sure it's empty. Empty. All right, let's fetch them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Going. Which pocket do I want to put them into? Put them in this one. I'm missing 2. 6. Missing 1. There's the 7. Okay, got him. All right, afraid I lost one. Okay, well, there you go. There you have it. Bullets are empty, and I think I'm going to shut it down for a few. And because I really got nothing to say at the moment. Good hike. Good trip so far. I really didn't overly expect to get myself any deer or anything, but you never know what you could find. Let's have something to drink and cool down. And I got water, but I don't really want water. I want Coke. I think I bring some with me. Wow. This is lovely country. gun. We'll just call her Beauty. Definitely Beauty. That's its name. Keep trying to come up with a name for it. Beauty's the only one that comes to mind. At any rate, new strap, which is quite nice hiking through the woods there. Fields, actually. I was hiking the clear cuts around the edges. I did spot some deer track and fresh deer poop and some fresh bear poop. And obviously a place where they're laying down, sleeping their nights out. They've been there recently. It was all freshly crushed down, so they're probably there this morning and bugged out with the first light coming up. Or with hearing me pull up and they just went scattered out of there before I could even get up there. And it's all good though. You get a little more comfortable with this. I used to be extremely comfortable with it. But not so much anymore. I just gotta get used to it again. You do feel a little better when you're carrying a loaded weapon out in the forest. At least it gives you a sense of some security, even if it's only a little bit. Because if a bear's charging you, you better hit him quick. Lovely morning. Pushing 9 o'clock. It's October 16th. 17th. It's October 17th, 2020. And we are at the tavern, the Great Outdoors portion of the tavern. Really cool part, if I could find some mates that could actually stay healthy enough. I had a mate who was supposed to be out here. Actually two of them supposed to be out here hunting with me. Both of them had to cancel. One of them because he ended up sick this week. The other one because the doctor told him he can't walk around the forest carrying a 7-pound rifle because he's got some back issues. But, oh well, it is what it is. Caught something about that one little phrase there, it is what it is. I never thought of it as a giving up phrase. I always thought of it as like, sometimes there's nothing you can do to change the course of events. I always try to change the course of events, but sometimes there's things beyond your control, and it's all you can do is go, it is what it is, and move on. Changing and controlling the event in question. And I think I should have done that when I was somewhere else. I'll do that somewhere else. Uh-oh. Yeah, okay, you're still flashing. Still flashing and tracking. Probably turn off the tracking for this for a little while, because I'm not moving anywhere. Let's turn off the tracking. There we go. Spot device is pretty interesting. It's nice to have when I'm out here. Although right now I'm on a road, so occasionally somebody will swing by. Wouldn't expect it too often though. Well, let's go. Turn it off. That's all I've got to say at the moment.
that sound, that beautiful sound of the trumpets blowing as Jesus comes down. Let me hear it soon, that beautiful tune only Gabriel can play. Let me hear it today or someday soon. Let me hear that sound, let me see that light shining all around and making it bright. Let the trumpet play and the angels sing, carry me away upon their wings. Let me see that light, that beautiful light only Jesus can bring, be it day or night. Let me see it shine, yes, in my lifetime, across the eastern sky. Yes, before I die, please let it shine. Let me hear that sound, let me see that light shining all around and making it bright. Let the trumpet play and the angels sing, carry me away upon their wings. Let me hear that sound, let me see that light. Let me hear that sound, let me see that light.